Go. Who then has a red net? Who has a net? Sino daw yung may net? Lakasan mo na ante. Then. What is net? Wet. Ulit. What is net? Ano net? Wet. What is wet? What is wet? What is wet? Is the net. The net. Huwag mo i-fold masyado. Sisira yan. Oh. Nasaan na ako? Ha? Nasaan na ako? Hindi pa. Last 5 pages more. Unti lang po. Unti. Unti lang to. 5 pages, oh.
Bricks, makinig ka kay ate mo.
5.
Game ate, tuloy.
Dami po. Salamat ka nga. Madami.
Tuloy.
Go. Ted has ako muna. Ted has a red pen. Oh. Who has a pen? Ted. What is red? Pen. The pen is on the bed. Hindi bed. Huwag mong gawin yung tonong bed. What? Ganto. Is what? On the bed. Wait lang, huwag ka muna. Huwag mo gawin yung tono na yung mahaba. Dapat dire-diretso lang. Ganto ganto. The pen is on the bed. Go. The pen is on the bed. What is on the bed? What is on the bed? Pen. Where is the pen? Bed. The men are in the jet. Who are in the jet? Men. Huwag kang tumingin dito sa may ano. Where are the men? Jet. Hindi pa.